Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever ordered shoes from SHEIN only to find they don't fit quite right, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to know your shoe size on SHEIN for 2025. With SHEIN's updated sizing tools, getting the perfect fit is easier than ever, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First off, why does this matter? Wearing the wrong size can lead to discomfort or returns, which nobody wants. So, grab a ruler, a piece of paper, and maybe a friend to help. Accuracy is key. Step 1. Measure your foot length. Sit on a flat surface with your foot flat on the paper. Place your heel against a wall or straight edge, then mark the end of your longest toe. Measure the distance in centimeters or inches. Remember, measure both feet because they might not be identical. Use the larger one for sizing. Step 2. Don't forget the width. If you're dealing with wider or narrower feet, use a tape measure around the widest part of your foot. SHEIN's 2025 updates include more detailed width options, so this could make a big difference. Step 3. Head to SHEIN's website. Once you have your measurements, go to the shoe product page and find the size chart. It converts between US, UK, EU sizes, and even includes specific foot length guides. For 2025, SHEIN has refined their charts for better accuracy, so always check the latest version. Step 4. Compare and confirm. Match your measurements to the chart. For example, if your foot is 25 centimeters, it might equate to a size 8 in US women's. If you're between sizes, go up for more comfort, especially for shoes you'll wear all day. A few pro tips. Measure your feet at the end of the day when they're slightly swollen for a more realistic fit. Also, read customer reviews on SHEIN for real feedback on sizing. There you have it. You're now equipped to shop smarter on SHEIN. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.